Hi, welcome to a new video of Sailing Messenger, and we have a different start than usual, but we also have a different issue than usual, because we want to ask you a question.
Yes, we would like to have more interaction with you in and about our videos, and we were wondering if it's a good idea to center our videos around a question and give you the possibility to come up with those questions.
So basically we want to change from storytelling chronologically to question-centered videos. So for example, what is it like to be a Christian in Tunisia?
Or why do people choose to face danger in Arab countries because of their faith? What is it like to be a woman in an Arab country? Or what are the 5 things in the Tunisian culture that that we find hard to cope with?
Or, and this is the point, like we don't want to come up with the questions ourselves, but we want to involve you in those questions. So we need your opinion, and you can give your opinion in the comment section below the video. Tell us what you think. Do we change our plan, or do we stick with the plan, or anything? Just leave your comment and help us in this process.
Thanks, and enjoy the video.
We are leaving Sidi Meshrek, and man, we had a beautiful time. Are you ready to leave, Marjolein?
Yes. I'm a little nervous for the entrance though.
Yeah?
I think it's fine, but because the captain of the other boats were also a bit like it's getting a little higher, but I think it's fine.
It's kind of sad to say goodbye again, but it's time to move on.
Slema, shukran jazila. Très bien.
We have a good day of sailing.
Yeah, the wind is stable and we are going fast, and there's nothing happening.
The boat is going very much like this, from one to the other side, because the waves come from the back, and that's not so good for my stomach.
Sidi Meshrek was really nice, but it was also busy because the people visited us a lot, and they were like on the most random moments. There were people that wanted to have a tea or a chat, so it was quite tiring also.
So this is the book that we are updating, and that's also the reason that we visit this port. Marjolein is now visiting the harbor master to get her information updated, and we take a picture and then we leave again. So Marjolein is back from the harbor master. Was it nice to talk with him?
It was interesting.
Yeah, why?
Those Arabic men, they can act so important. It's funny, but yeah, I got information about the port, and then I had to say to the Garde Nationale that we are going.
I will climb in the mast to take a photo from the harbor, because we for the book we need a photo as well, and there's no high spot around the harbor really. So while we are sailing away, I'm going to climb in the mast and take a photo. photo.
So we are sailing towards La Goulette. That's the fishing port in Tunis, in the capital of Tunisia. And for the first time since weeks or months, it's like really nice sailing. The wind is coming from the land, so it's flat water, and we are going fast also. So it's nice. I'm enjoying it again. The last trips I didn't enjoy the sailing so much because I didn't feel good because of the waves, but this is really nice. We hope to be in La Goulette before the evening so that we can join a Christmas service. I don't know how it works because it is kind of secret to be Christian here, but this church is quite open. So I think it's only foreign people that are allowed to go to church, but I'm not sure yet, so we are going to find out.
Ik ook niet. So, all the papers. We just arrived in the harbor, and a lot of fishermen are around here. Yeah, looking a bit. What are these strangers coming to do? Just a church in the city center. It's possible here somehow. So let's go inside. So we are back from church, and it was a special evening to be gathered with such a large number of Christians. Well, a large number. In the Netherlands it would be a very small number, but here are 2,000 Christians, in the evangelical Christians in the whole country, and we were maybe even with 200 gathered, so that would be 10%. Maybe 150, okay, okay.
Too enthusiastic.
But it was nice, and we asked ourselves some questions, like how is this possible in Tunisia, and we know a little bit more how it works now.
Yeah, in the church there are mainly non-Tunisians, people from America, Europe and other African countries, but there are also Tunisians, and the state is not keeping them away from the church. They are allowed to enter, and even the police is guarding the place with guns.
With the gun, yeah.
Yeah. So so it's like quite free, it looks like, but I think it's still like a big thing for a Tunisian to go to the church because of the social environment. I think that's the biggest deal.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and besides that, it's not allowed to talk with Muslim people, for example, about the Bible and try to convince them of it. So yeah, that makes it hard as well, I think.
Yeah.
You have to keep quiet, sort of.
Yeah. But that doesn't take away that we had a really beautiful evening, and now we go to bed.
Yep.
Sleep well.
To have some rest before first Christmas Day.
Yes, tomorrow first Christmas Day. Marjolein goes for a package.
Yeah, I just have to pick up some books at the post office.
So.
And the rest is a surprise.
That's it. Bye. So, what's your plan for today?
I will quickly go to the FedEx to pick up a package from for our work. The Royal Cruising Club Pilotage Foundation sent us the latest version of their books, so that we can do the work a bit better. So I'm going to pick that up, and then I will be back.
Do you have a lot of faith for it?
We are not sure if it's here. It should be here. But it's in Tunisia, you are never sure.
Good luck.
Thanks.
So, I have the idea to make a little Christmas party here. I got a lot of fish from all the neighbors, and I'm going to fire the barbecue and have a party with them. Alright, the mini race. Dans la barbecue. Shukran. I think it will be nice. So I just prepared a whole lot of fish, and it's a surprise whether the fishermen around me want to eat it. But it's just a nice experiment. Petite maison. They don't want to take it, unfortunately. But maybe my friend from the other boat. Let's see. Okay, I went to the other boat, and they are eating right now, and they also have a barbecue. So I just joined them. It's really nice. I take my bread and the fish. Hopefully it's good, and then I go. Oh, très bien. La cuisine de Tunisia est très bien. Oui. شكرا جزيلا. بسم الله.
Difficile.
صعيب.
En français difficile.
Oui, oui, oui.
انا راك تمر
زين برشا.
زين برشا.
Avec Bacha.
ووبا
اوه
اسرع واحد هبط له مرتين المره اللي فاتت. هذيك كتشوف العلوش انت كيفاش طيب.
So, I get a little tour through the boat. Oh. It's a really big fishing boat, so it's interesting.
C'est le moteur principal. Yes.
On the deck, Mondo tells me what happens if they catch a lot of fish.
But 200 caisses bien.
Ah, okay, oui, oui.
Fish.
Oui.
Fish. 200 caisses. الحمد لله.
Oui, oui, oui.
ناخذوا ونشتروا.
300 et... Ouh.
300.
Et 400?
400.
Boat. It's a boat from 1960, so it's a really old one, but it's still good functioning probably.
Fish.
Oui.
1 متر تاعها. أسر. هوبا. أسرع. ها.
It was an honor to have Christmas with these people. To be honest, I was hoping to be with some Christians here in Tunisia with Christmas, but well, that didn't happen. So the Lord gave me these nice fishermen to enjoy the time. But Marjolein is still not back, so I don't know. She's already gone for about 3 hours. So I hope she's doing well. Let's give her a call.
They have got the package here at FedEx, but I need to go to the douane first to pay the tax. But they are having lunch break right now, it just started, so I have to wait 2 hours and then I can pay, and then I have to go back and get my package. But at least it's here. Ta-da! I've got it, finally. I'm back in the port. Salam! Hey! Hermen is chilling with the neighbors. I have the books.
You have the books?
It took me an entire day. Ta-da! I'm very happy. I finally have it. Man, they send it me back and forward all the time.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm tired now.
So that was a very special first Christmas day.
Yeah.
It's really intense to speak French and Arabic the whole day. Both of the languages I actually don't master at all.
But can you teach me 2 words you learned today?
Kitchen is matbach.
Matbach.
Matbach. Do you remember what the keys are in Arabic?
Mafta'a of zoiets.
Yeah,
Mafta'a.
Mufti.
Mafta'a. Yeah. Good night, we are tired.
Sleep well.
Allah khair.
Allah khair. Good night. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to let us know what you think. Do we continue like we are doing, or do we change to the question-centered videos?
Thanks.
Bye bye.